Uncle, this is Shosho's bedroom. I think you can see how messy it is. And all the sockets have been plucked out. Yeah, my certificates are all over. The sockets have been plucked out, so I don't know if there were thieves in the house who have done all this. There are djembes all over the floor. Knives, more sockets. This is a kitchen. There's no cooker. All the sockets have been plucked out. There's no cooker, the gas cooker. Let's see. The sitting room. The TV has been broken. Oh my God. Hii TV imevunjwa. Hii ndio TV alikuwa anatumia. Her TV is broken into pieces. I think this is foreplay, Uncle, because I don't think Shosho can do something like this. All the family photos are scattered on the floor. Just look at the lights. All the lighting. All the lights. Broken bulbs. There's a stool looking up to the ceiling. The ceiling is open. This looks like foreplay. I don't think Shosho will ever destroy her telly like this. Electronics are gone. The microwave is missing. This is a sideboard. The fridge is here, but it has been totally destroyed. Could you name fridge? See, the fridge has been destroyed and the socket disconnected. Yeah, I thought that was blood, but no. Yeah, so the fridge has been spoiled. Uncle, please notice all the ceiling roof. The ceiling roofs are open. This really looks like foreplay.